Present. Let's go. Woo! Listen to that. Mimi, I'm sweating terribly, but Mombasa is super hot. Mombasa is super hot. But the sound of this, that's the digital Audi digital driver's display pale. Iko na seat warming function here, and by the way, this is wow. Just at the tap of a button, you can control the temperatures right from the climate vents. This is crazy, man. We need to do a complete review of this car. Fan speeds, everything. Easy to use, soft to touch materials all over the place. The car sounds amazing. The car looks amazing. Look at all this. Man. Audi never stops to impress me, bana.